Hey everyone, how's it going today? Today I have a quick little install. This is going to be for my steering wheel. Since I upgraded and bought a carbon fiber style steering wheel, I decided to get the carbon fiber covers just to match it. And these look pretty cool. It's basically just a 3M style overlay type product. I'm going to show you putting it on, and we'll be able to see what it looks like from start to finish. Okay, so let's get started here. I'm going to do the easiest spot first, which is going to just be this bottom cover. Go ahead and get this 3M removed. Alright, now we'll go ahead and line it up and get it stuck on here. And I'll go ahead and just hold it on here for 30 seconds just to make sure that all the adhesive sticks properly. Alright, now let's go ahead and get this one placed. Make sure it's lined up good. Make sure the buttons aren't being pushed in. Alright, there we go. That's it. I'll go ahead and hold this one on too. Alright, now this one seems like it'll be a little bit difficult, but should still be able to get it placed. There we go. Just takes a little bit of finessing. So there we go. Looks pretty good. Really liking this look. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick little install, and as always, happy driving and enjoy.